to see about types of organisms. How the types of organisms is? It is nothing but the types of organisms are classified based on their presence of cells. Okay, so how many numbers of cell is present on that particular organism? Based on that criteria, the organisms are classified as an unicellular as well as multicellular. Okay, so let's be see what does mean by uni and what does mean by multicellular. Okay, so unicellular is nothing but the name itself, we have the name, that is uni in the sense it's meaning a single, otherwise one. Am I right? So the organisms which has only one cell is said to be what na? Unicellular organism. Okay, so here uni means single, cellular in the sense it's a cell, that means single celled animal or an organism. So the organisms which has only one cell is considered to be a unicellular organisms, and we have examples, that is amoeba, euglena and paramecium. So we can't see in our naked eye because it is a single celled animal, so it must be seen under the microscope. So there are different size in this. Okay, so for example, amoeba is irregular shape, and we go to the paramecium, it is a slippered shape actually. Am I right? So based on these criteria, that unicellular organisms are classified. Then we are moving to the next thing, that is multicellular animal. Same thing like unicellular. In multicellular also, the name itself, they multi means it's a many, that is more than one cell. Am I right? So multicellular animal is nothing but it has more than one cell, right? So for that we can consider all animals as well as plant as their example. Okay, so we the humans, we also are multicellular organisms, and we have many plant and animals, they all are what na? Multicellular organisms, and there are different shapes and size in that multicellular organism, and we move to one by one how the shape and how the size and which in which function they are differ. So I'm going to show you some example for that particular line. So we see this is a blood cell, and it is an onion cell, so it comes under plant category and it comes under an animal category, right? So see these two, whether the size and shapes are similar, not right, because it is oval shaped or circular shaped, but while you are going here, it is like a hexagonal shape, like honeycomb structure. So these two are entirely differ from each other. And you know the blood cell is function is too, the blood cell function is just nothing but it is just carrying the oxygen from one part of the body to the next, am I right? And also we have a nerve cell and we have a muscle cells in our body, and each cells have different function. If nerve cell will pass the signal, muscle cell will helps in the movement. Likewise, cells have different function as well as their size and shape are different. With this I complete this video, and I'll see you again with other topic, and thank you.